Hi, my name is My Beauty So from The Ordinary, and today we're going to be talking about The Ordinary's Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. The Ordinary Cyclic Acid 7% Toning Solution looks like a toner, feels like a toner, but it is so much more than a traditional toner. A traditional toner contains ingredients that will come and refresh the skin. Our formulation contains skin-loving ingredients such as Tasmanian pepper, berry, aloe vera, and ginseng root to help soothe, hydrate, and balance the skin. Various amino acids have also been added to the formula like arginine and glycine, which helps enhance the barrier, supports elasticity as well as surface and below surface hydration. However, unlike a traditional toner, our Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution also promotes mild exfoliation. It does so through the inclusion of glycolic acid, which is a simplest form of alpha-hydroxy acids. Glycolic acid is a water-loving molecule that helps exfoliate the topmost layer, revealing more radiant skin fineness. This fuel approach provides a more holistic way to maximize the effectiveness of the acid whilst reducing the appearance of redness. This synergy results in improved radiance and visible clarity. Use Glycolic Acid 7% Tawny Solution in the evening after cleansing your skin. Lightly saturate a cotton ball with solution and sweep across the face and neck. We do not recommend applying the product on compromised, sensitive, or broken skin. Make sure to avoid the eye contour or contact with eyes. There is no need to rinse off the solution. Instead, allow the product to absorb into the skin and continue with your preferred skincare regimen. Shades may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and for 1 week afterwards.